Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy curly bun. To start, I'm going to divide off the hair from the top of the ears forwards, and we're going to do this on both sides. Now, taking the hair from above the ear to the middle of the back of the head, I'm going to just divide this section out, and all we're going to do is a simple knot. So I do this by wrapping it around my fingers to make a loop and then just pull the ends all the way through. Secure this knot just underneath with a clear elastic band, then apply some texture spray to the knot and really pinch and pull it apart. I'll pop the texture spray I'm using in the description below for you. Hold the knot to the head and secure all around the outside with a few bobby pins. And we're going to do the same on the other side. So section off the hair from the ear upwards, bring it to the back of the head, wrap it round your hand to create a knot. Secure that knot with an elastic band just underneath. Apply your texture spray and then pinch and pull at that knot for more volume. Then hold the knot to the head close to the first one and pin all around the outside. Now we're going to incorporate these tail ends from the knots into the hair hanging down, and we're going to split it directly in half. And again, we're going to wrap it around our hand and create a third knot. Secure it with your clear elastic band. And then just repeat on that last section. So create your knot, add your elastic band just underneath, and now all we're going to do is add some more texture spray to both of those knots. Now use your fingers to really pinch and pull that knot apart, and we're going to hold it up against the other knots. And again, secure with as many bobby pins as needed. And then just repeat the same steps on that last knot. Now with these tail ends, I'm going to bring them together and again create one smaller knot, the same as we did before, by wrapping it around and bringing the ends through. Tie it off with a clear elastic band. Add your texture spray and pinch and pull your knot apart. Hold this up to the bottom of the bun, making sure that you tuck those ends underneath and secure in place with some bobby pins. Now for the front section, I'm going to leave a little bit out to frame the face, but I'm going to curl everything else away from the face. And make sure you repeat this on both sides of the head. Now I've got a little topsy tail tool, again I'll pop it down below, and I'm just going to take those curls and I'm going to weave them through the bun where I want to see them. So for me personally, I like them tumbling down the side of the bun. And I also like to pull them through from the top to the bottom so they come out of the bottom of the bun. So just pull them through that loop and then pin in place with a couple of bobby pins to make sure they don't slip out. And then just repeat this on the opposite side. And then just keep pulling your curls through until you're happy with how it looks. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.